Yeah, man. For me, I just wanted to, fight and play hard for my teammates. Throughout the season, it was a rough season for me, coming in early. Kind of late in the season, trying to get my feet underneath me, trying to get, condition. But I felt like today, is one of my best games of the season.
那当然，其实他也提到说，他在场上还是要尽可能就是为了队友们，让不断在场上去拼斗。那他也是希望能够积极打球，因为他也知道说，他其实他算是加入球队比较晚，他也花了比较多的时间，最后能够把他自己的身体的状况啊，很多状况都会跟球队能够融合得更好。那今天他认为说，他今天确实能够做得很好，算是他在来台湾之后打的最好的一场比赛。
那等一下，大家有等一下冠军第一组。
其实就是经过上一轮的挑战赛，那其实大家可能压力上就是比较释放了，对啊，然后就是也都跟大家讲，我们进入了冠军战，那其实我们只要做好我们该做的，那做我们平常训练的东西，那自然就会有好的结果发生。对，那当然今天的状况就是从一开赛，每个球员就是不断的跳出来帮助球队这样子。
今天就达到我们上个挑战赛，然后到现在就是中间练球，然后教练跟我们讲一些东西嘛。那我们今天真的就是各位就是每个队员，然后还有教练团，然后我们大家一起就是团结一致，然后打出来的结果就是我们赢球。对，那所以因为今天有郑杰跳出来，我们又多一个轮替可以使用。对，那所以就这样。
10 days with this group has been very proud. I've been very proud.
那其实在这10天最近的过程中，其实他对球队表示非常骄傲的。
Obviously, the media is not in our practices, but I push these guys, to their limits, and it's not always fun. It's not always pleasant, but I feel like the last 2.5 weeks, every single little scheme that we talk about doing, these guys have executed with conviction and confidence. And today we switched our defensive scheme a few times, and we switched to something that we have not worked on in months, and the guys were right on it. And so I think if you want me to talk about the game, the biggest thing I can say is you just saw a group of guys that were really determined and really locked in, and I'm a proud coach. And we didn't come here to have a good series. We want to try and find a way to win this thing. Maybe it's 6 games, 7 games, 5. I don't know. We want to try and find a way to win this thing.
那这样提到说，因为毕竟媒体不见得每次都会大家在看观看我们的练球，但事实上在最近的时间内说，他教练一直对球员们很多的督促。那他也提到说，其实他真的很开心，说球员们在练习的过程中，然后在比赛的时候，确实把我们练习的时候所做的一些，不管是进攻跟防守，特别是防守部分，今天我们做了一些原先练的比较少的防守的一些辩证，但是球员们都非常的努力。那当然，现在也提到说，我们基本上来了，我们是希望说能够在这个过程中能够去到赢球，能够赢得这个总冠军的机会。但是他真的非常开心，说球员们在场上都带有很大的决心，想要去一起大家有共识的去执行教练想要做完这件事情。
And then today specifically, Steph steps up, Amigo steps up, Jay Chen steps up, Due steps up. Randy comes in there and does big. Kenny was fantastic on defense. The bench energy was there. That's the culture that we're trying to build in Changhua. That's the culture that we're trying to build with the Dreamers. And it was, for me, just a great opportunity to be a part of it. It was really fun.
那对教练来讲，对他来讲，其实就是梦想家想要打造的，就是让每个球员都会能够在场上很积极的表现。今天不管是希克斯也好，不管老将们也好，德威也好，每个人包含像他提到 Kenny 的防守，每个人都愿意跳出来，这就是他希望能够打造的一个球队的文化，就是每个人只要上了场就是尽全力的打。